I don't even remember this. Nah, I don't remember. I don't know why I'm lying. I don't know why the world is so weird, man. Y'all like to watch when things go wrong. So I was hiding this from y'all, man. But whatever. Because I know the people that have this type of stuff are gonna feel where I'm coming from. But the people who don't have it and the people who can't get it are the people who hate and laugh and all that. But I was just trying to keep it away from y'all, man, because I be trying to look and do everything from a business standpoint. But I am on YouTube. I do get paid from views. So I'm going ahead and show y'all. Alright, man. Y'all ready to see? It's bad. I'm telling y'all it's bad. Boom! Boom, boom! Both on one side, bro. That's why the car been in here leaning sideways. Both wheels. Laugh it up. Laugh it up. I already know. Like I say, the ones who laugh is the ones that can't get this type of stuff. Or just haters. Pure haters. But I'm alright. My car alright. Could have been worse. I could have been in a real accident. So I'm fine, Ain't nothing but some wheels. Like, new barrels. Boom. That's it. But laugh it up for you haters, man. Like I said, I wasn't gonna show y'all, but I could care less. Got a whole bunch of stuff, whole bunch of cars, a lot to be happy for. Two little broke ass wheels ain't gonna make me cry, man. So I'm on the fence, man. I don't really know. I'm like, should I go get a whole new set of rims? Because literally, I want new barrels for all the wheels. And then if I do the outside barrels, man, I could just see how much for the inner barrels as well. But the amount for the outside barrels, man, it's like $300 to $400 each. I still need tires. And if I pay somebody else, not saying if I do it, but if I pay somebody else, I'm already in the 2,500 plus range, 3,000 range. I get a new set of wheels and tires for like 5,500, and then sell those for like 1,500, and then I be out about it. The same price it costs to fix it almost. So I'm still in the mix about it. But like I said, I'm buying me a tire machine. I found one, but I ain't set on it. But I ain't in no rush on that tire machine. I'm not buying nothing big till all my cars is here. Nothing. Not buying one big thing. Not one. So yeah, I'm just looking at this thing. This thing is pretty decent condition, man. I like it. I was all mad about the front the night I got it, but overall, man, like I said, I like it. I can't really complain. Today, I'm trying to get everybody situated. That console and stuff I showed y'all on that, well, I didn't even show y'all the console. I showed y'all kick panels and lower speaker pods. I'm trying to get that finished before the week out. I'm trying to get J-Rock to get his truck back. It was so hot, man. It was so hot this summer. Like, some of that stuff, you fucking die trying to stay out here in 100 plus degrees, no wind, nothing, trying to do some work. Come out, literally, it'll be... I could barely walk some days. That's how much I sweated and how tired I was. So yeah, I ain't gonna kill myself over no work. But J-Rock truck, I'm about to pull it over there today. Gonna try to get him his truck back soon. The Tahoe leaving beginning of next month. Gotta finish the console for it. Try to paint it if I can. If not, give him the paint money back. But I wanted that to be a big project, but too many painters capped on me. I'm messing with them painters, man. But looking at my land out real quick. I just come over here to look at it sometime, man. It's almost time. Fix these booty frame mount lifts. Look, nothing right there, no bolt or nothing. Almost time to fix that. I ain't even bolt this thing back on. Once I seen how bad it was, I just said, you know what? When I pull it in, I'll fix it all at once. But if anybody local have a inner fender for a box Chevy that ain't rusted, where the battery go, send it to me, cause I need one ASAP. If you got a ridiculous number, don't send it to me. Matter of fact, I forgot I got these two right here, and then I got two more that gotta come here. Let me see this. Not bad. Might have to jack that one, but I know this one. Oh, this land that. This two-door can't even land that. This two-door pretty bad. But let's see. Well, never mind. Never mind. I'm taking this one. I'm taking that one. A box of parts for sale. I need another battery tray. I think I got one more. Matter of fact, I sold one. I think I got one more. Never mind on the inner fender. I swear to God, I ain't never even think to look in this car. But that one look good, so that one had one. And this was just parts anyway. No, I'm not selling no parts off that car yet. Everybody keep asking me about trim. Let me get my car together. Start those two. Then I'll be selling parts. So in no time soon. So yeah, I'm pulling J-Rock over here tonight. And I can wrench on that outside. Get everything wired to the car and the computer. I got to change the torque converter, but I'm doing that on the lift. I'm not jumping under that. The car is just, y'all seen what I did the drop on it. I'm not getting under that. It's gonna be brutal on me. So he's just gonna have to buy another gallon of trans fluid, because the torque converter gonna take about a gallon. Cause I'm gonna drive it in here, then I'm gonna unbolt it, put the new torque converter in here. Thanks to Jay Malcolm on that. Jay got him a new torque converter for 400. For a 400 transmission. It's right here. Boom. Jay got him right on that. So, and then last thing on that for me is the drive shaft, and one more thing, the C channel for the axle. Show y'all that real quick too. So y'all see the bump stops are on the frame. For those who don't know, I'm gonna point to it. Boom, sitting on the axle. I mean, the bump stops are sitting on the axle. So with those, you have to cut the frame and notch it, and then you gotta put the new support bracket on. And I think that's what's in that box. I just put all his stuff in the back of the truck, so I ain't want nothing getting lost. Literally, the only thing he had was fluids, new tank. Everything else is on. That's it, man. You get too hot, man. I ain't killing myself. Y'all see a lot more overall, man, because it's cool and I got less going on. But got some new bump stops. That's what these should be. Bump stops. So yeah, these drilling the frame, bolt this to the frame. Oh, they ain't sent my man some bolts. Oh, I was gonna say, damn, they shorted you on some bolts, J-Rock. So yeah, all right. So this is getting done on the lift, and the torque converter is getting done on the lift. I actually can do the fuel system right here. Just jack it up, and I'll be able to jack the tank up. 4 bolts per side, bolt it back up. Y'all seen when I put the detonating pad back around the straps. Won't no problems. I might spray some sound deadener on that tank. Won't no problems. But yeah, once I get my temporary fix on my wheels, man, I'ma just take it back to storage, keep pushing out my orders, and I'll bring it back and forth whenever, you know, I can. So I got my base of my console, and I came up with the layout of where am I putting what. So I got cups, radio, switches, cigarette charger. Y'all seen it came in handy for the wheels. So I took that out. The kick panels I'm actually selling. So if anybody interested in some kick panels, let me know. You have to send me your old kick panels, and I'll send you these in return. But like I say, these are done. I have a model of what they look like. It'll be right here. Boom. And then I got 2 sets of box Chevy ones. However you want it, that's how I have it. I have it however you want it. You have to send me your old ones. The box Chevy ones look like these. And like I say, both of them ready to wrap. But yeah, I'm thoroughly cleaning the garage today, reorganizing, getting my saws on one side, my work. This is my little wrap table I just bought. My wrap table over here. But yeah, look at my wheel, man. Boom, boom. I would tell y'all what happened, but I can't sit here and incriminate myself. But tore my wheels up. Tore my dang wheels up. Tore up. Definitely get new barrels, but like I said, I'm gonna do a little cheap, quick fix. Get it bent back in shape, just so I can ride it. But I was gonna take it to a ram shop in Chicago while I ran up there and came back, man. But they were saying like $750 a barrel. I was like, what? So I just said, you know what? I'm gonna wait. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna wait. Every time you rush, man, something go wrong. I was just, well, it was Tuesday. It was a Tuesday night. I was crunching down on some stuff, man, and I was tired, and I just wanted to ride a little bit, just a little bit, man, because it's really fun and something you enjoy when you know going on a little ride. But we see what happened. We see what happened. Just trying to have a little fun, have a little enjoyment. Tore my dang wheels up. I like to say that's a good thing, 3-piece wheels though. You just unbolt it, put a new lip on, bolt it back up, and you should be alright. So like I said, I just hope that the backs ain't got no bends. It don't look like it. It's like it's just this side. So hopefully that is what it is. Just this side. I need a new tire anyway. But yeah, got to buy a tire machine. I think I'm gonna buy me a set of tires, man, just for standby. Depending on what the shop prices is around here. I know these tires, man, like $140, $150. But around here they charge $125 average for a mountain balance for a big rim. It's a rookie mistake, man. All the time, when I was younger, man, in high school and everything, man, I had 20s, 22s with 225 series, 225 30s, 225, 25, 275, 25, all that. All the rubber band tires ain't never, ever tore my wheels up, ever. Nah, man, I'm all older and experienced. Boom, tore the most expensive rims I ever had up. Shoot, man, I used to have all kind of stuff. Never had no problems though. Now we get some problems. But like I say, as long as I keep making progress and doing what I do, this stuff get fixed in no time, like nothing. I don't even remember this. Nah, I don't remember. I don't know where I'm lying. But I already know, man, some people sitting there laughing, man, and hating. It's alright, man. You'll be able to do this type of stuff. Promise you, you just do what you do, grind, work, you will be able to have this stuff. And for those of you who don't plan on having this stuff, still think it's funny, coming from me, man. Sorry though. Shake back like nothing. Like I say, getting all my cars here. It's be simple, man. It's a little quick fix, man. But yeah, I'm alright. Everybody alright. Car alright. It ain't nothing, man. Just chunk it up. Spend that money. And shoot, we'll get it back. I said, I ain't want to show y'all, but I know y'all like that. Cause y'all be weird like that. It's people in here weird like that. I put, got new wheels, I get 5,000 views. I put, tore up my wheels, I get 20, 30, 40,000 views. Like, it's crazy, man. Crazy how the world works, but y'all seen it. Wheels tore up, man. So, we about to get some new ones or get it fit. But yeah, y'all see it. Wheels tore up. Ain't sure what we're gonna do yet, but I'm gonna get a little cheap fix just for the show. So we can tow it there and roll it on and off with no problem. Yeah, wheels tore up. SES, I'm out.